Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain one of the foundational module of ITSM, knowledge management, which includes overview, stages, article versions, and knowledge portal. So let's start with overview. ServiceNow ITSM includes robust knowledge management capabilities aimed at capturing, organizing, and sharing valuable information and best practices across an organization. It provides a centralized repository for storing, organizing, and accessing knowledge articles, documents, FAQs, and other types of content. And centralized knowledge base. ServiceNow provides a centralized repository known as knowledge base, where organization can store a wide range of knowledge articles, documents, FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and other relevant information. This centralized approach ensures that knowledge is easily accessible to all stakeholders, including IT support staff, end users, and other departments. The knowledge creation and capture. ServiceNow enables IT teams to create, edit, and publish knowledge articles directly within platform. Knowledge articles can be created manually or automatically generated based on resolved incidents, problems, or changes. This ensures that valuable knowledge is captured and documented in a timely manner. Then categorization and tagging. Knowledge articles can be categorized and tagged based on topics, keywords, or other criteria to facilitate easy search and navigation. This helps user quickly find relevant information and reduces the time spent searching for answers to common questions or issues. Self-service portal. ServiceNow's self-service portal allows end user to access knowledge articles and find solution to common issues without the need to contact the IT service desk. By empowering users to resolve their own problems through self-service, organization can reduce the volume of service requests and improve overall productivity. ServiceNow knowledge management capabilities empowers organizations to leverage the collective expertise of their IT teams, improve service quality and efficiency, and enhance the overall user experience. By investing in knowledge management within the ServiceNow platform, organization can drive innovation, reduce cost, and achieve greater business success. Then stages. The article is initially created or imported into the system in a draft state. Authors work on drafting the content, adding details, and formatting the article as needed. So these are, you can say that different stages like draft, review, approval, published, and retired. In ServiceNow ITSM knowledge management article typically progress through several stages as part of their life cycle management. The first is draft. The article is initially created or imported into a system in draft state. Authors work on drafting the content, adding details, and formatting the article as needed. Then the next stage is review. Once the draft is complete, the article may be submitted for review by subject matter experts or designated reviewers. In this stage, reviewers assess the accuracy, relevance, and quality of the content. Then approval. After review, the article may require approval from an authorized approver or content manager. This stage ensures that the article meets organizational standards and is ready for publication. Then published. Upon approval, the article is marked as published and becomes available for access by end users. Published articles are accessible through the self-service portal or other knowledge search interfaces. Then the last stage is retired. Articles may be retired when they become outdated, obsolete, or no longer relevant. This stage ensures that users do not access outdated or inaccurate information. Retired articles may be uh, archived or removed from public view but can be still be accessible to authorized user for reference purposes. These stages represent the life cycle of the knowledge article within ServiceNow ITSM knowledge management. By following this structured approach, organization can ensure the knowledge articles are created, reviewed, approved, published and retired in a systematic manner, leading to higher quality content and improved user satisfaction. Additionally, ServiceNow provides workflow automation and governance features to streamline the article lifecycle management process and enforce compliance with organizational policies and standards. Then article versions. ServiceNow Knowledge Management includes versioning capabilities to track changes made to knowledge articles over time. Versioning ensures that organization maintain a history of edits, revisions, and updates to knowledge articles, allowing user to review previous versions and track the evaluation of content. So these are you can say that some information about article versions like initial version, editing and revisions, version history, public publication and rollback. So initial version. When the knowledge article is created for the first time, it is assigned an initial version number, typically starting from version 1.0. This initial version represents the original content of the article. Then editing and revisions. As authors make edits or revisions to the articles, the version number is incremented to reflect the changes. For example, if an author makes significant edits to version 1.0, the revised version may be labeled as version 2.0. Authors can make multiple versions to an article, each resulting in new version number. ServiceNow captures details such as date and time of each revision, as well as the user who made the changes. Then version history. ServiceNow maintains a version history for each knowledge article, allowing user to view and access previous versions. User can review the content of earlier versions, compare changes between versions, and revert to the previous version if needed. The version history provides transparency and accountability by documenting the evaluation of knowledge articles and tracking who made specific changes at each stage. Then publication and rollback. When a revised version of an article is approved and published, it becomes the new active version available to end user. Previous version remain accessible for reference purposes but are not displayed by default. In case where errors or inaccuracies are discovered in a published version, admins can roll back to the previous version to store the content to its original state. Overall, versioning is ServiceNow knowledge management provides organization with a comprehensive audit trail of changes to knowledge articles, promote collaboration and accountability among authors and reviewers, and ensure the accuracy and integrity of knowledge content over time. Then knowledge portal. The ServiceNow Knowledge Portal is a user-friendly interface within the ServiceNow platform designed to facilitate access to knowledge articles, FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and other relevant information. It serves as a centralized hub where users include IT technicians, end users, and other stakeholders can search for, browse, and access knowledge resources by resolved IT related issues independently. Here are the key components and features typically you can say that found in the ServiceNow knowledge portal like search bar, browse categories, featured articles, feedback and ratings. Search bar. The knowledge portal features a robust search bar that allow user to enter keywords, phrases or questions to search the relevant knowledge article. The search functionality may include advanced features such as natural language processing and predictive search to enhance the accuracy and relevancy of search result. Then browse categories. User can browse knowledge article by category, topic or tag using a menu or list of categories displayed on the portal. Categories may be organized hierarchically to help users navigate to specific areas of interest or expertise. Then featured articles. The portal may showcase us a selection of featured or recommended knowledge articles that are relevant to current trending topics, common issues, or organization priorities. These articles are highlighted to catch users' attention and encourage exploration. Then feedback and ratings. User may have the option to provide feedback or rate the usefulness of knowledge article directly from portal. This feedback help improve the quality and relevance of knowledge content and allow organization to gauge user satisfaction. So that's all about knowledge management. In my next video, I will explain service catalog, which is another foundational module of ITSM. Thank you.